Good morning, all of you, once again. As you know, your exams are approaching, so I am making a revision video of lesson 4, which is Internet web browser. As you know that what is Internet, you know everywhere, you know what very well that ARPANET was the first Internet which was designed in 1960s by the US Department of Defense. And after that, so many, changes happened in the field of Internet. And you know that a computer formed a network which when two or more computers connect together, that is form a network which is called Internet. They are connected with each other with the help of Internet right now. So here is mentioned that about the Internet, that Internet is a small network that can be connected to one another to form of bigger network. Means I told so many times that they are connected through the Internet with the help of small networks. Means small networks joined together and made a Internet. Okay, so Internet is an example of computer network, and it is spread across the globe. As I told you that it is a worldwide web. You can say that it is a global network. Means you can find out everywhere in the whole world right now. You can see connected with each other. So right now, Internet, is very important in our day-to-day life. Now here has given some examples of Internet, uses of Internet, which is we get the information about any topic. We can communicate with the people through email, chats, and video conferencing, and then we can buy products online, and then we can listen music, we can book tickets, pay bills. So many things we can do. Not so many. Most of the things these days we people are doing with the help of Internet, because Internet is right now, you can say everywhere, and we can, we are doing everything with the help of Internet, because without Internet we are nothing right now, because हमें data चाहिए, हमें Internet चाहिए. Next thing is, now what are the things, what are the companies, those who are giving us Internet, they are called ISP. जो हमें Internet provide कराते हैं, service provide कराते हैं, they are called ISP, means Internet Service Providers. So those who are companies like BSNL, MTNL, Airtel, Jio, Reliance, they are giving us internet facility. So they are called ISP, Internet Service Provider. As well as these are giving us Wi-Fi, internet, as well as Wi-Fi, as well as wire facility. Means wire facility, like modem is basically stand for modular and demodular. It is used to data can be sent or received between the computer and the telephone line. Means this one, which is, I told in the class earlier that whatever we are using through the mobile, which is wireless network, and that with the help of telephone line we are using wire networks. Means with the help of modem we are using this kind of network. And without this both, without the wire we cannot use Internet. Next is World Wide Web. We call it that World Wide Web, and this is basically interconnected pages to text contain picture, audios and videos. So the various pages connected using links to access through the Internet. Means with the help of this we can simply connect from one page to another and one link to another. So World Wide Web is popularly known as W3. Next is web browser. We told that, I told you that with the help of web browser we can access the Internet through one page. This is basically a platform where we can access the Internet, because without this we cannot access the Internet. As for example, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla, Firefox, so many are there. With the help of this we can access the Internet. This is just like a platform where we can launch the Internet. Next is web page. So I told you that web page that picks up World Wide Web is known as web page, and that web page is created through HTML, means hypertext markup language, and in this page you will find out audios, videos, text, as well as links, so many things. As for example, I can give you you can say the web page of Facebook, Twitter, Insta, so many, Yahoo, Rediffmail, so many are there. Next is hyperlink. Means a web page may contain hyperlinks, links of other web page to another at the same time. Means we can jump from one page to another, with the help of hyperlinks. The links they are called hyperlinks. So I think that this is for today. Next we will discuss about in next chapter. Thank you. Bye bye.